सर अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
एक क्वेश्चन था।
जी कहिए।
सर मिड के मार्क्स कब तक पता चलेंगे?
जब हो जाएंगे पता चल जाएंगे बेटा। जब मैं नोट करूंगा पता चल जाएंगे।
थैंक यू सर।
Okay student, today we are doing again the differentiation, the derivatives. Today our topic is the derivative of logarithmic functions. Derivatives of logarithmic functions. The formula for the logarithmic function is if y is natural log of f of x, so y is the natural log of f of x, then the derivative dy upon dx or y dash will be equal to 1 upon f of x into the derivative of f of x. This is the formula. When y is a natural log of f of x, then the derivative of y dy upon dx will be equal to 1 upon f of x into the derivative of f of x. तो नेचुरल लॉग को क्या हो जाएगा? नेचुरल लॉग का 1 अपॉन द फंक्शन, और फिर जो भी फंक्शन है उसके डेरिवेटिव से उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे। तो सबसे पहले 1 अपॉन फंक्शन कर देंगे और उसके बाद इस फंक्शन का जो भी डेरिवेटिव है उससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे। दिस इज द सिंपल फार्मूला। 1 अपॉन एक्स कर देंगे, जो भी फंक्शन है 1 अपॉन कर देंगे और उसके डेरिवेटिव से उसको मल्टीप्लाई भी कर देंगे। अगर ये नेचुरल लॉग एक्स है, सिर्फ ln x है, तो 1 अपॉन एक्स हो जाएगा सिर्फ, क्योंकि डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x विल बी 1। So we are doing the exercise 7.2. And there are the question from question number 5 up to 36. Exercise 7.2, page 484. 5 to 36. Khalil Muhammad Mirza. Question number 5. Y is equal to ln 3x. So derivative will become y dash 1 upon the function 3x है, 1 upon 3x कर देंगे, multiplied by the derivative of 3x. Derivative of 3x. The derivative of 3x will be 3. So 1 upon 3x into 3. 3 is cancelled by 3. The answer is 1 upon x. The answer is 1 upon x. So this is the answer. Y is ln x, so dy upon dx will be equal to 1 upon x. So very simple. Y is equal to ln t square. Question number 7. Y is equal to ln t square. So dy upon dt. Now the variable is t. Dy upon dt will be equal to 1 upon t square into the derivative of t square. The derivative of t square will be 2t. So t is cancelled by 1t. The answer is 2 upon t. The answer is 2 upon t. So this is very simple exercise. Y is equal to ln 3 upon x. 9. Y is equal to ln 3 upon x. So dy upon dx. One upon 3 upon x into derivative of 3 upon x. What will be the derivative of 3 upon x? 1 upon 3 upon x will become x upon 3. 1 upon 3 upon x will become x upon 3. Multiplied by the derivative of 3 upon x will be 3 is constant. And the derivative of 1 upon x will be minus 1 upon x square. The derivative of 1 upon x will become minus 1 upon x square. So 3 is cancelled by 3. 1x is cancelled by 1x. The answer is minus 1 upon x. The answer is minus 1 upon x. So that was question number 9. 5, 7, and 9. Anything do you want to ask? Okay. Now I'll do question number 15. Question number 15. Y is equal to t ln t whole raised to power 2. Now there are two functions. One is t, the other is ln t square. One is t, the other is ln t square. So we'll use the formula u into v. U into v. So that is u and this is v. So u and v. U is t and v is ln t square. U is t and v is ln t whole square. So u dash will be equal to 1. The derivative of t will be 1. And v dash will be equal to 2 ln t पहले पावर हम ले लेते हैं into the derivative of ln t, that will be equal to 1 upon t, that is equal to 1 upon t. So this will become 2 ln t upon t. This is v dash. Now derivative dy upon dt will be equal to the derivative of u 1 into the second function ln t square plus the first function u t into the derivative of v dash 2 ln t upon t. This t is cancelled. We have ln t whole square plus 2 ln t. This is the answer. ln t whole square plus 2 ln t. This is the answer. So function है u into v. So we used the derivative u dash into v. U dash is 1 and v ln t square plus u v dash. V is t, u is t, and v dash is 2 ln t upon t. So u dash v plus u v dash. Mohammed Saad Sheikh 64105. Okay. So that was question number 15. Now question number 17. Anything do you want to ask? You please ask. Question number 17. X4 upon 4 ln x minus x4 upon 16. X4 upon 4 ln x minus x4 upon 16. Again, we will use here, there are two functions, x4 and ln x. And here is only one function, x4. There are two functions of x, x4 and ln x. There is only one function of x, x4. So here we will use u into v, here only u. Here the u into v dy upon dx will become derivative of x4 will be 4x4, 4x3 upon 4 is constant and into ln x. The derivative of x4 will be 4x3 and whole upon 4, this is constant. It will remain as it is into v plus the first function x4 upon 4 remain as it is into derivative of ln x, that is 1 upon x. These two are the derivative of these two one. Minus, there is only one function, the derivative of x4 will be 4x3 and 16 is constant upon 16. This is the derivative. Now we will simplify this one. 4 is cancelled by 4. X cube ln x. This 1x is cancelled, only 3 is left. So 1 upon 4 x raised to power 3. This is 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So minus 1 upon 4 x raised to power 3. Both are cancelled. X cube ln x is the answer. X cube ln x is the answer. Ubaidullah. 64290. So this is the answer. Anything do you want to ask? सब समझ गए बेटा सब कुछ समझ पूछना है तो पूछ ले, आपको समझना है तो समझ ले. Understood? Clear everything? Okay. Now, अब u upon v का भी एक क्वेश्चन हम कर लेते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. मोहम्मद ताशान 64055. अब हम एक क्वेश्चन u अपॉन v का भी कर लेते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. ln x upon 1 plus ln x. Y is equal to ln x upon 1 plus ln x. Find dy upon dx. So dy upon dx will become is equal to derivative of ln x. It will be 1 upon x. Derivative of the numerator. Numerator is ln x. So derivative of ln x is 1 upon x into the denominator 1 plus ln x minus the derivative of the numerator. इसका डेरिवेटिव 1 का डेरिवेटिव 0, ln x का डेरिवेटिव 1 अपॉन x into numerator ln x. into ln x. अगर हम दो नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करें किसी एक टर्म में, एक से ज्यादा टर्म्स हो, एक एक्सप्रेशन में एक से ज्यादा एक्सप्रेशन, जैसे इसमें दो एक्सप्रेशन, इसमें सिंगल है, इसमें सिंगल है तो उसको एज इट इज मल्टीप्लाई करें, इसमें दो थी तो उसको ब्रैकेट में मल्टीप्लाई किया. तो अगर दो एक्सप्रेशन, मोर देन वन एक्सप्रेशन टर्म्स हो किसी एक्सप्रेशन में, मोर देन वन टर्म्स हो तो उसको हम ब्रैकेट में लिखते हैं अगर मल्टीप्लाई करें. या फिर किसी एक ही टर्म हो लेकिन उसके साथ नेगेटिव साइन हो, उसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो उसको भी ब्रैकेट में लिखते हैं. अगर पॉजिटिव साइन है और सिंगल टर्म है किसी एक्सप्रेशन में तो उसको एज इट इज मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. ब्रैकेट लगाने की जरूरत नहीं, लगा दे तो कोई हर्ज भी नहीं है. लेकिन अगर देर आर मोर देन वन टर्म्स इन एन एक्सप्रेशन, so we must put the bracket. If we are multiplying with something, we must put the bracket. or if there is a negative sign, we must put the bracket. Muhammad Daniel Malik 64262. Okay. Upon the square of the denominator. अब ऊपर वाले को सॉल्व करेंगे, सिंप्लीफाई करें. दैट हैज बीन derivative has been completed. Now we have to solve and simplify this one. So 1 upon x into 1 will be 1 upon x plus 1 upon x into ln x, 1 upon x ln x. इसको ओपन करेंगे, माइनस साइन, 0 plus 1 upon x will be 1 upon x. 1 upon x into ln x minus sine 1 upon x ln x. Whole upon 1 plus ln x whole square. ये से कैंसिल हो गया. We have only 1 upon x. x नीचे आ जाएगा. This is the answer. 1 upon x into ln x. This is the answer of dy upon dx. That was question number 21. Clear? Is it clear to all of you? Okay. So I am doing the next question. Next question is question number 23. Question number 23. Y is equal to ln of ln x. Now this ln x is a function of x. Function of x. This is ln of f of x. चेन रूल इसमें लग जाएगा. dy upon dx is equal to इस ln x का 1 upon this one into the derivative of this one. This is 1 upon x. 1 upon ln है इसका, ये this is f of x है, suppose u है, ये ln x क्या है, u है. So ln u, derivative of ln u will be 1 upon u. ln u, this is u. So 1 upon u, u is ln x, into derivative of u, that is derivative of ln x, that will be 1 upon it. So this is the answer. We have to simplify. 1x पहले लिख देंगे. 1 is 1 into 1 will be 1. X into ln x will be x ln x. This is the answer. 1 upon x ln x. Khalil Muhammad Mirna. So dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon x ln x. Now I am doing question number 25. Question number 25. Y is equal to theta into sine ln theta. Plus cos ln theta. Sorry. Theta into sine ln theta plus cos ln theta. So theta is being multiplied by this one as well as this one. So there are two u into v. This is theta is one. Sine ln theta plus cos ln theta is the second one. This is u, this is v. U is theta. So u dash will become 1. Now v is sine of ln theta plus cos of ln theta. This is u plus v. So v dash will become इसका डेरिवेटिव साइन का डेरिवेटिव cos of ln theta. Sine का डेरिवेटिव cos of this function into the derivative of this one. It will become 1 upon theta. इसी तरह इसमें हो जाएगा cos का डेरिवेटिव माइनस साइन of ln theta into derivative of ln theta 1 upon theta. So 1 upon theta is common into cos ln theta minus sine ln theta. This is v dash. Hariba Hussain 6405. Okay. Now derivative dy upon d theta will be equal to u dash into v. U dash into v. So 1 into u dash into v. V is this one, sine of ln theta plus cos of ln theta. U dash into v, then plus u into v dash. Theta into v dash is 1 upon theta into cos of ln theta minus sine of ln theta. Now we further simplify. 1 into this one will become sin, 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये एज इट इज रहेगा साइन ऑफ ln थीटा प्लस कॉस ऑफ ln थीटा। ये थीटा इस थीटा से कैंसिल हो गया, 1 रह गया, 1 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा कॉस ऑफ ln थीटा माइनस साइन ऑफ ln थीटा। साइन ऑफ ln थीटा और कॉस ऑफ ln माइनस साइन ऑफ ln थीटा कैंसिल हो जाएंगे। There are only cos of ln theta. Cos of ln theta will be 2 cos of ln theta. This is the answer. 2 cos of ln theta. U into V, U dash into V plus U into V dash. इनको इनसे मल्टीप्लाई किया, इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई। कोई भी पहले लिख लो, आप इसको पहले लिख लें, इसको पहले लिख लें, किसी एक को, दो इस प्रोडक्ट को पहले लिख लें, इस प्रोडक्ट को पहले लिख लें। U डैश इंटू V इसको पहले लिख सकते हैं, या फिर U V डैश इसको पहले लिख लें, क्योंकि प्लस का साइन है बीच में, कोई फर्क नहीं, ये भी प्लस है वो भी प्लस है। U डैश V प्लस V डैश U दोनों प्लस है, आप किसी को पहले लिख सकते हैं किसी को बाद। तो इसको आपने पहले इसको लिख दिया हमने U डैश V 1 इंटू दिस वन साइन ln थीटा प्लस कॉस ln थीटा, फिर प्लस का साइन U V डैश, U है हमारे पास थीटा, V डैश है 1 अपॉन थीटा इंटू कॉस ln थीटा माइनस साइन ln थीटा। ओपन किया फिर इनको सिंपली